How to find routing number on Wells Fargo application. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be discussing about how to find a routing number on your Wells Fargo app. So first thing, just head over to your Wells Fargo application or your online banking account, and from the browser simply log into your account. And once you successfully log into your account, you just need to select any of your account and just tap on that. So once you select any of your account, under this right section you just have to tap or navigate to that section that is routing and details. So you just have to simply select that option. And similarly, under this account info option over here, you should see all of these options or information such as routing numbers, which consists of two different numbers, that is direct deposit and electronic payments or domestic wire transfers. And under this account info option, you will see two different routing numbers such as direct deposit and electronic payments, as well as domestic wire transfers. So you can just tap on this view button over here to simply view all of your domestic wire transfer or direct deposit and to view all of your routing numbers. So that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.